Hey there, I'm Jessie Boone, Market Development Manager for the recycling products for Wirtgen America. Today is the U.S. debut of the 240X tier reclaimer. We're going to walk through some improvements that we've made inside the operator's cabin. The first improvement is a new high-resolution touchscreen that houses the HMI operating system. Inside the HMI operating system is something called CoPilot, which houses guides and tutorials for new operators for on-the-go training. Another new feature inside the HMI operating system is Mix Assist. Mix Assist is a system that allows any operator to customize their mixing patterns and store them all in one press of a button. Another new feature is the new high-resolution cameras. We now have 5, complete with a high-resolution touchscreen that allows you to manipulate the cameras, also gives you more visibility, which increases safety. Another improvement you'll see in the operator's cabin is that we've totally eliminated the left-hand joystick. Now we have a dome, which has leg, column management, and fingertip steering. Also, conveniently, a back to straight button that aligns your wheels back to straight for you. These changes to the left-hand armrest should give operator more comfort, more precise steering, and a more ergonomic experience. One thing you'll notice missing on the left-hand armrest is the VARIO Spray Bar system. We've now moved all that inside the screen, which is still completely accessible to the operator.